Alright, so I made it to Budapest. I've been riding for 12 hours straight and I'm exhausted. I need to find a hotel soon or I'm going to collapse. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I gotta find a hotel real quick. So yeah, I left this morning at 8 and now it's night. It's night, it's 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock and I'm in Budapest. Look at this. Hope you guys are enjoying the view. Look at that. I don't know what that building is, but it's big. You can focus on it. Sorry. Look at that. That's neat. Alright, so I'm pretty tired. I'm gonna try and find a hotel. I know, I'm sure the lighting here is really bad, so I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna talk to you guys from my hotel room, or if not, tomorrow morning. So bye.